Seventh question. Find the coordinates of A, where AB is the diameter of the circle. This is the circle. AB is the diameter. Diameter passes through center. That center is, और लिखा हुआ है, find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is 2 minus 3 and B is 1. So center is the midpoint of diameter AB. Center is the midpoint of the diameter AB. Let the coordinates of A, B, x, comma, y. Correct? Now since it is the midpoint, Arshpreet will tell me the midpoint formula. Yes, by midpoint formula, x is equal to x1, इसको बोलते हैं x1 y1 और इसको बोलते हैं x2 y2. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला में ऐसे ही होता है. और बीच वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? कैपिटल. So x1 sum of abscissa over 2 sum of ordinates over 2. Am I clear to everyone? Now this is already given to you. This is what? Come on, speak. What is this? 2. This is 2. This is x1 and this is x2. X plus 1 over 2. Y1 y. Correct? Correct? Y1 plus y2 over 2. 2 to 4 is equal to x plus 1. X is equal to 4 minus 1. So x is 3. Minus 3 to 2 is what? Minus 6 is equal to y plus 4. And this plus 4 will become minus. So what is minus 6 minus 4? Minus 10. Minus 10. Okay. So what is the point A? What are the vertices of point A? 3, minus 10. They can even give you the endpoints of the diameter and ask you the center. Then you will use midpoint formula. अगर ये दोनों दिए, दोनों को प्लस करके ओवर 2 किया, सेंटर आ गया. और सेंटर दिया और एक अगर ये दिया तो ये निकल जाएगा, ये दिया तो you can find either of the 2 points, isn't it? Am I clear to everyone? समझ आ रहा है सबको? Every time whatever formula you are using, whether you are using distance, whether you are using section or midpoint, you have to write it down. That is necessary. ठीक? Now see, 8th. If A and B are, A is minus 2 and B is 2 minus 4. Find the coordinates of P such that AP is 3/7 of AB. 3/7. तो 3:7 नहीं होगा. AP जो है, आप सोचो ये देखो, ये AB है. AP जो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाइड है, इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड. AP upon AB is 3/7. 3/7. That means AP has how many parts? 3. And AB has how many parts? 7. But do you need AP and AB or you need AP PB? You need this ratio over this ratio. So that is AP over PB. They are giving you 3 parts of AP and 7 parts of AB. This implies AP over PB would be 3/7 minus 3 because this whole is 7 and these are 3 parts. So the remaining part would be 7 minus 3. Am I clear? So how will you write this? 3/4. So AP ratio PB is how much? 3/4. So please read carefully. Suppose आपने अभी बुक में तो ये दिया, पेपर में आ गया आपको. They are saying same question, exactly same lines. A is this, B is this, and B is this. Find B such that AB is 3/7 of PB. तब भी आप 3/4 यूज करना शुरू कर दो, तो गलत हो जाएगा. क्या दिया हुआ? AB ratio PB. You please shut this door and you 3 of you shift to this side. Arshia, you too. खड़ी हो फटाफट, या तुम बैठी रहो, दोनों बॉयज को पीछे जाने दो, यू कम टू दिस साइड. So AP ratio PB, this PB comes here. AP over PB is 3:7. So that's fine. You have to read this carefully. Don't be under that impression कि हाँ मैम ने बोला था ये सब्ट्रैक्ट होना था. इसको वर्ड्स को पढ़िए. ये AP over PB है तो वही रहेगा. अगर ये AP over AB है तो ऑब्वियसली PB निकालना. Am I clear? बोलिए ठीक है. अब ये हो गया 3:4. You have to find the coordinates of point P. What are the coordinates? Such that it divides. AP is 3/7 of AB. AB नीचे आ गया तो AP के 3 parts, AB के 7 parts. But we don't need AP and AB. We need AP and PB. So PB would be 3/4. क्योंकि 7 minus 3 is 4. Now this is -2 -2, and this is 2 minus 4, and this is the point P, and this ratio is 3, and this ratio is 4. 3:4. This part is 3. This part is 3. This part is 4. So P divides AB in 3:4 by section. बस सीधा ये नहीं लिखना शुरू कर देना. P this into this. Write down by section formula. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2. Correct? And what is y? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. So 3 into speak 3 into wow, कितने अच्छे बच्चे. क्या बोला तू? 3 into m1 x2. इसी का रेशियो इसी के पॉइंट से. कितने दिन से तू चैप्टर कर रहा है? मैंने तुम्हें कहा था कि जिन बेवकूफों को नहीं पता चलता ना वो इसके ऊपर लिख लो. m1 m2 x1 y1 x2 y2. दिस रेशियो दिस एब्सिसा उल्टे वाला एब्सिसा प्लस 4 into this ratio this abscissa and this ratio this abscissa over sum of ratios. 3 into -4, 4 into -4 over 3 plus 4. Right? Correct? 6 minus 8. What is 6 minus 8? This is 6, this is minus 8. Minus 2 over 7. Minus 12 minus 8. Minus 20. So these are things. अब इसी रेशो को इसके एब्सिसा से कर दिया तो हो गया. कहने को मुझे सब कुछ आता है. जस्ट लाइक नमन के भी मुझे सब कुछ आता है. मैं जब भी टेस्ट देता हूँ खुद ही देता हूँ. फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट व्हिच डिवाइड्स द लाइन सेगमेंट. संडे दूर नहीं है ना, आज फ्राइडे है ना, परसों टेस्ट है 3 चैप्टर्स और उसी वक्त चेक होगा. और जो नहीं करेंगे वो स्टे बैक करेंगे. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining -2 2 and B 2 8 into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 1 2 1 part, second part, third part, and fourth. 4 equal parts. What are the vertices? P, Q, R. Now please listen to this carefully. P divides AB in 1:2. This is 1 part and how many parts are this? 1, 2 and 3. बोलिए ठीक है. P divides AB in 1:2. Q divides AB in how many parts are this? 2, 2. 2:2 means what? So you can say Q is the midpoint of 1:1 means Q is the midpoint of AB. 1:1 means 2 equal parts. So instead of using section, you can use directly midpoint formula. R divides AB in these are how many parts? 3 and this is 1 in 3:2. So you can get the vertices of P here, then Q here, and then R way. Correct? This is one way. And what do you have to write at the top? Bisection formula. What is capital X equal to? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 over M1 plus M2. M1 by 2 plus M2 by 1 over M1 plus M2. You have to write the formula. I'm telling you 100 of times. Don't attempt the calculations directly. First, write the formula. One more important thing. This you will be able to do. There's nothing much I can say. Instead of, in order to avoid the confusion, I have taught you one method. Ki aap you have to write like this and this in every part. Because वहाँ तीन point of division देखने में थोड़ा mess रहता है. What you can do is, this is -2 or -2 2. -2 2. गलत मत उतारना कोई vertex. -2 2. So this is point P, which is in 1:3. This is point Q. 2:2 means 1:1. R 3:1. This is one way. Another way is second method, which you will attempt on your own. ये आप खुद करेंगे. A B P Q R B. See, 1 2 3 4. 4 equal parts. 1 2 3 4. Q is the midpoint of AB. ये देखो 1 1 1 1. Q is the midpoint of AB. Correct? इस पे कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगेगा? मिडपॉइंट फॉर्मूला. Q निकल आएगा. P is the, दोनों इक्वल पार्ट्स हैं. P is the midpoint of AQ. See, Q midpoint है क्योंकि ये 2 parts, ये 2 parts. 2:2 means 1:2. Q is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. Again midpoint formula. R is the midpoint of, yes, R is the midpoint of Q. So here there was no need, in this method there is no need to use the section problem. अब इसका midpoint और लगा ले section जरा. 1 into 2 plus 3 into -2 over 1 plus 3. 1 into this ratio, the other abscissa, plus this ratio, this abscissa. Then 1 into 8 plus 3 into 2 over 1 plus 3. 2 minus 6 minus 4 over 4. 8 plus 6, 14 over 4. So what are the vertices of P? -1, 7, 1. Correct? Q is of course the midpoint of AB. So दोनों abscissa plus over 2, दोनों ordinate plus over 2. 0 over 2 is 0, 10 over 2 is 5. R 3:1. 3 into 2 plus 1 into -2 over. I'm making a mistake here. अच्छा, this was no mistake. Midpoint formula में तो 2 ही आता है. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2 over 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 minus 2 is, this is 6 minus 2. 4 over 4. 24 plus 2 is 26 over 4. 13 over 2 and 1. So what is our 1 comma 13? Right? Now here Q is the midpoint of AB. What is A? This. And what is B? This. AB. Q. -2 plus 2 over 2. 2 plus 8 over 2. 0 over 2. 10 over 2. 0 comma 5. Same. You don't have to attempt both the methods. I think this is better. Q is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AQ and R is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AQ. Q अब यहाँ नोट कर लो. 0 5. इसका midpoint क्या होने वाला? -2 plus 0 over 2. 2 plus 5 over 2. -2 over 2 is -1 comma C. P same. See? Isn't it? What is R? R is the midpoint of QB. 0 plus 2 over 2, 5 plus 8 over 2. 2 over 2 is 1, 13 over 2. See? Same? This is R. Okay? So you can use, but this is only possible in even number of parts. Just because I was telling you trisection, I was trying to tell you that. So 4 equal parts, 6 equal parts, that way. Even number of parts, you can use midpoint formula again. Am I clear to everyone? Then the 8th question says, 8th is done, this is 9th, I'm sorry, 10th question. Area of rhombus. Just finish this, I'll go to